National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a blowing dust advisory, which is in effect until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this afternoon. Affected area: northwest Pinal County, southwest Maricopa County, including the cities of Gila Bend, Stanfield, Casa Grande, Maricopa, Flores, Coolidge. Timing until 5 p.m. Winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour. Visibility dropping to around 1 mile, possibly as low as a half mile. Impacts: difficult driving conditions due to blowing dust are likely, especially along Interstate 8 and 10 and State Route 347. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway, or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside. The Severe Thunderstorm Warning for Central Pinal County is canceled. The storm near Coolidge has weakened and the warning has been canceled. Report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio KC 94.